We exercise to celebrate what our body can do, not to punish ourselves for what we ate. Faith, fitness, community, and gratitude. I woke up this morning. God gave me breath in my lungs. I can move.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Sandra Tadros Guirguis.
As a clinical pharmacist and menopause specialist, Sandra translates medical science into practical full-body transformation. A pharmacist, a fitness coach,
and the author of the transformative book, Embracing Abundance, A Journey to Wellness and Wholeness Through Faith and Self-Care.
Specialty training in fitness, bone health, mental health, chronic pain and addiction, nutrition, and gut health.
She's featured on CP24, CTV News, Life FM Radio, and the cover of Lifestyle magazine. Sandra's workshops and seminars are known for practical tips, positive energy, and inspirational content.
Exercising as little as 10 minutes a day can reduce your stress hormones. True or false? True.
The journey of your holistic well-being starts with letting go of your past self.
Stop trying to fit yourself into your old mold because that person died. That person's gone, and that's okay. This new chapter doesn't overshadow the love and the lessons of my past, but honors them.
Menopause is a whole body transition, hormonal changes that can influence brain function, sleep architecture, gut health, and long-term cardiometabolic risk. As a Menopause Society certified practitioner and clinical pharmacist, I deliver evidence-based whole person care that helps women thrive, not just survive through the lifespan.
There was one protective factor more than anything, and it was community.
We can start our wellness journeys alone, but we thrive when we create an environment that allows our community and the environment to support us as we thrive.
People who, like you said, will pray over you, pray with you, put your eyes back on Jesus, help other things. So don't lose hope. God's got you.
Self-care isn't really necessary. It's just a luxury. True or false? False.
I'm going to embrace this new abundant life. So embracing abundance, a journey to wellness and wholeness through faith and self-care.
Things can always get better. You can take charge of simple tools, making smart little goals. It doesn't have to be a big journey, right? The mountains moves one pebble at a time. Can you pick one thing you want to do?
My friends, I have learned that when we find a way to turn our pain into purpose, we find that just on the other side, a very joyful and abundant life awaits every single one of us. Thank you so much.